Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a Canadian IP address. An IP address is the unique network number that everybody on the internet has to have. Without it, you won't be able to download a website, send emails, anything like that. But each IP address is actually, as I say, unique. It also can be used to track your location quite accurately. Now, one of the problems many people face is that if you try and access a lot of sites, you find you get blocked. Now, this is particularly relevant in things like media sites, banking, lots of betting sites, anything which has local regulations and copyright issues. So here we've got a media site called GEM CBC, and you can see it says this content is not available outside of Canada. Okay, so what this site has done is looked at my IP address when I connected, seen it's not a Canadian registered IP address, and basically blocked me. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I can get a Canadian IP address without actually having to move to Canada. Right, I'm going to do that by using something called a VPN. It's a very simple program. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. The particular VPN I use is called NordVPN. It sits in my taskbar down here. And anyway, if you want to, when you open it, you can see here there's a big world map here full of VPN servers all over the world. Now, basically, a VPN is an encrypted tunnel between your PC or phone or whatever you're using and a VPN server. And as you can see, these are located all over the world. So we've got loads in Europe, in all the different countries. I think most of Europe there. And we've got America, South America, and here's Canada. Now, if I make an encrypted tunnel to a Canadian VPN server, I then have effectively changed my IP address. I'll just show you here. So I'm connecting to Canada now. So this is my computer sending a request to the Canadian VPN server, one of them, to make an encrypted tunnel. Okay, and there you can see it's connected. Doesn't take long. As of this point, any website I visit won't see my IP address. It will see the IP address of the VPN server. Let me just give you a quick example here. If I look for plumbers in Google, you can see now I'm getting replies based on Montreal. So it's showing me adverts for Montreal plumbers, Yellow Pages. All my search engine experience is based on the location of the Canadian VPN. Okay, so that's kind of not that useful unless you want to do some research or you want to trick a website that you are in Canada. So if I went back to my Canadian media site, which, if you remember, wouldn't let me do anything basically, just came up with messages saying it's not available outside Canada, you can see now that I can go to the website. Let me just show you. This is a commercial channel, so let me just stream something. This is live TV. Let's try that. Looks like it's from the Canadian government or something. Okay, but this would be restricted. You wouldn't be able to access because I don't have a Canadian IP address normally. And now you can see, after a short delay, the initial time it connects, I'm getting the adverts here, and I'll be able to watch the program. It's 2 adverts. I'm going to stop it there because you get told off if you stream copyrighted stuff over YouTube. But I hope you can see that this site now thinks I've got a Canadian IP address. Okay, and if I went back to the VPN, the NordVPN thing, I could move to America or Portugal, Spain, UK. I personally use it mainly for watching UK TV like BBC iPlayer and ITV when I'm outside the United Kingdom, and there's quite a few US websites I use, and a couple of Canadian I watch occasionally. It doesn't really matter. What it does, the VPN, is gives you both the security of an encrypted connection, but also the ability to just bypass all these stupid blocks that are all over the world. So if I need a Canadian IP address, I just click on a Canadian server. Okay, I'm going to finish there. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye bye for now.